Okay, so we're back with a couple of files, and basically what I was able to do here is print out this really cool little gear set. And of course I got the wrong, I'm sure I got the wrong one. But anyway, what you can do is, I printed this out as one piece, but it moves. There you go, like that. So the original file did not have the right tolerances, so what I had to do was put the file in Blender, shrink the size of the main gear a little bit and the outer wheel, and then all of a sudden it printed out perfectly fine, and all the parts did not fuse together. Same thing, I used to have the same problem with this. This is not even as small as the original file, but with the original setup I had to blow it up or increase the size to this size, and as you can see that it still kind of has some struggle. You see how it grinds when I try to open it? But then again, I went into Blender and remade the file, and now look, even at this size here, I don't know if I can make it small. I'm gonna try, but even at this size, which is tiny, see, but the wings work now with the file that I've modified. And what I found was the problem was inside here there were some parts that would grind too much, and see, I didn't change the height of the wing, so it still looks great, but I just modified that inner part there so that it would be more smooth, and as you can see, the results are fantastic. Now I have a tiny one. I'm going to try to make it even smaller and then see if it fits inside the egg, but I'm stoked about that, so yay!